Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a quick little mini try on using a couple of products that I received in my November's BoxyCharm. If you haven't seen my unboxing, I can link that down below for you guys. But mainly in today's look, I'm going to be going in with this palette. This is from Nalanie Cosmetics and this is Celestial Thunder. And this is what the palette looks like. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to keep this look really simple today, but there are so many shadows in here. As long as I really like the formula, I will do more looks using this if you guys would like. And then I also have the Becca highlighter, and this is in Vanilla Quartz. I haven't swatched this yet and I've never used this shade, but I do have other Becca highlighters that I absolutely love. The formula is just really great. So we are gonna just jump straight into using this palette. And I think the first shadow I'm gonna use is this orange right here. So right away, there's absolutely no kickback whatsoever. There's tons of products. I'm just going to tap off a little bit and I'm going to work this onto my crease, and this is already extremely pigmented. So I'm just depositing most of the color on the outer portion of my crease, and then whatever left over, I'm going to gently or lightly run it in. So as you can see, that's really pigmented, and I only went in once with my brush. I didn't re-dip it. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here and apply this to my lid. And there is no kickback. Let me see if I can show you. There's no kickback at all. That is really beautiful. Okay, so now I'm just gonna push this onto my lid. I'm gonna take the shade right here and pop this into my inner tear duct. Taking this shade and this shade, I'm going to mix it together and just run this onto my lower lash line. So now I'm going to go in with this Becca highlighter and I'm going to swatch this. This is actually really, really light. This is what it looks like. Hopefully it looks good. Okay, so the highlighter is really pretty. It is very pigmented. A little goes a very long way. It's more along the lines of a more white gold. I usually like a little more yellow gold with my highlighters, but I think I can definitely make this work. I'm gonna actually also dampen my brush just a little bit. I don't know if that's picking up on camera, but I think it looks a lot better with my brush just lightly dampened. Okay, in person, it looks a little more golder than is picking up on camera. Okay, so I know I know this video is a little different than my normal try on BoxyCharm videos, but I really just wanted to test out some products and see how it went before actually using it to film upcoming holiday looks and, you know, things like that for you guys. So the first, I just wanted to, you know, test these things out and let you guys know what I think. So I also got this in my BoxyCharm and I'm wearing it underneath my foundation right now, but I'm testing out a couple of other products, so I'm not sure how I feel about this underneath makeup. I did use this the entire weekend without any makeup and I absolutely love the way this makes my skin look and feel. A little product goes a very, very long way with this guy. And then as far as this palette, like I said, this is the first time I'm testing out any of her eyeshadow palettes and I'm actually really, really surprised. I am a fan. I had absolutely no kickback, no fallout. The shadows were extremely pigmented. The mattes were absolutely beautiful. A little went a really, really long way. And as you guys saw, the first shadow that I put in my crease, which was this orange right here, I only went in once. I didn't need to double dip my brush. I didn't even need to go back to add more. It was just the perfect amount of pigment, and I have nothing bad to say about this, and the shimmers are absolutely beautiful. I used these two right here. This is in my inner tear duct and this is on my lid, and everything just looked really, really nice. I just wanted to keep this look really simple just to test these out, and I'm really happy. Really impressed. And as far as the Becca highlighter, I have used Becca highlighters in the past. I am a huge fan of the formula. This shade, however, is a bit light for my skin tone. It's a bit light for my liking. I can definitely make it work. I can use it on my eyes. I always like to find ways of making the products that I have work for me and just using it different ways, but I did like this a lot better on my face with my brush dampened. But I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick review try on of my November BoxyCharm. I will film a couple of looks for you guys using this palette and, you know, for the holiday time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.